Let's now talk about the belt chain system, and this system is actually used for simulating the motion between different pulleys and levers using block. So here I'll just start by creating just a few blocks that will resemble a few pulleys. So I'll select front plane, and here maybe I'll just create the first one here, and the second one, and just a small one here. So I've got these three pulleys. Now in this case I will add just a simple line here to represent the direction of motion, and I'll do the same for all of these other circles as well. So I'll just add one here and another one maybe here. Alright, so I've got these things. Now we just need to convert it into block before we can use it in any meaningful way. So to do that, I'll go to this create block, I'll select this one and click OK. Now I don't need to be kind of very concerned about the origin or the base point, so I'll simply create the block with whatever the base point is. So that's the first one. Now press escape key, go to the next, select this one and click OK. So we have got the second, again press escape, go to create block, the third one, and just click OK. So we have got three of these blocks. Okay, I missed this one, so I'll select it and I'll click OK, and there we are. We've got the three blocks added. So block 1, 2 and 3. Now using these three blocks we can create the mechanism. So for that, go to this option here on the blocks panel. We have the belt chain mechanism option. Now select the first block, then the second block, and then the third block, and you'll notice that it will automatically add this kind of belt preview. Also, we have in this belt chain mechanism several options inside this property panel. Well, the first option is driving. So right now this set of block is creating a belt with a constant size of 320 approximately mm. Now if you want to change the size, you can just check this one and you can then change its size right here. In this case I'll uncheck this. Now if you want to add a belt thickness, check this box and then you can add a belt thickness. For example, a 2 mm belt thickness will add a gap of 2 mm between this pulley and the belt. Then we have engage belt option. Check this engage belt option if you want to simulate the motion of belt, which we want to. So I'll check this engage belt option, I'll keep it checked and I'll click OK. Now if I rotate just one of these pulleys, it's going to rotate all the other in perfect synchronization. So it will just simulate the way this pulley mechanism works with a belt. Now if you want to modify this belt chain system, go to this belt option, right click and select edit belt. Now you can flip the direction of the belt. For example, here I'll just select the last one, this, and I'll just click on this flip belt side, and you can see that the belt direction will flip like this. You can do the same for all the other belts here, but I'll just uncheck this option. Not only that, if you want to change the belt, so I'll just click OK for now and I'll select one of these pulleys, and here you are. You can just change the length of this belt simply by moving it here. Now if you don't want to change the length, then right click, go to edit belt and check this driving option. Now only the location of pulleys can be changed, but the belt length, the overall belt length will remain constant like this. Alright, so that's how you can use this feature to simulate the belt chain motion in SolidWorks.